Want to create this animation in Capcut? All you want to do is launch open the Capcut app on your laptop or PC. Now, click on the stickers icon at the top right of your screen. From here, select Charts, which is available for free. Now you want to click on Dynamic Charts option. Here, select Dynamic Progress Chart option, which will look something like this. Now you can click on the settings icon to edit the title. Once you've entered your preferred title, you can move on to changing your font and font style. Then you can also change the data selection. After this, click on the Style and Animation tab. The first option is to change the theme. Next, you can move on to Style. You can adjust the inner radius or outer radius. You can also adjust the spacing and rounded corner. Scroll down to change the color theme and background colors. You can pick from black or white background. Once you're happy with the results, click on the Add to Timeline option. Now you can make further adjustments and editings from here, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.